What's going on, everybody? It's Chris from Out West with Chris, and back out on the Delta doing a little bit of fishing. Just launched from Sugar Barge, right behind me. Heading out into Frank's Tract, looking to hopefully catch a few fish today. Also meeting up with a really cool guy. His name is Greg Blanchard, and if you don't know who Greg Blanchard is and you watch my videos, then you have been living under a rock. Man, the water is super clear. Beautiful day today. Super clear water. I mean, usually this could be the clearest I've ever seen the Delta. I don't know if you can see him, but right over there, I think that's him, standing and fishing in his huge kayak. Fish on. Giants. Nothing but giants. Little guy. I actually saw one kind of rise over here, and so I figured there was a good chance at a fish being over there. Unfortunately, it wasn't a huge fish, but I think there's more fish over here to be caught. Maybe they're all small, schooling up together, but let's see if we can catch one. Lots of littler fish in here right now. In this spot. Got a bite. Felt little. Oh, got a fish. Another little one. There are a lot of fish back in here, that's for sure. I don't know about size, but there are a lot of fish. The little ones. I'm looking at a nice size one right here, though.
So, like this stretch right here, dude, it's still loaded.
Really?
Oh my god, I can't get him to bite though. I saw a 10-pounder right here too.
Really?
Yeah, definitely 10. Massive, monster.
Oh yeah, there one just swirled right here that's pretty big. There's one that's, you know, he's a keeper. So let's just say this is Greg Blanchard in the huge native Titan.
Yeah, it's good size.
That thing is huge, man. I've never seen one in person before.
Really?
On the water, no.
Yeah, it's big, man. It's a beast. I mean, you can, you know, it's like
You just walk around in that thing.
pretty much. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
How you been?
Good, man. How are you?
Pretty good.
I haven't seen you at any tournaments. You haven't?
Nah.
Have you?
Nah. It seems like every time there's a tournament, I have my kids for that weekend, or
Right.
I was gonna fish Tower, and then a friend of mine was like, look, let's go up to, he lives up in Oregon. He's like, hey, let's go fish Lake Odell and try to catch some 30-pound lake trout. And I'm like, okay, yeah, let's do it.
Did you do it?
I can't get over how clean the Delta is right now.
I know. I haven't been to the South Delta.
Oh, damn, dude. There are a ton of fish. Not that I was doubting you or anything, but
No, man.
just seeing it for yourself, you know, you're like, what the heck? Big old fish all over.
Yeah, it's strange. I mean, it makes sense. I caught a few in this area on like a drop shot, a brush hog, just real dragging it. Definitely nothing on anything moving, but man, I haven't been able to get the big ones.
That's why they're big, right? Another dink. But I hadn't caught anything for a while, so I'll take it. Grow. Another dink. This one's a little bit better, but not much. Can you imagine if a tournament was today? There'd be like 4 scoreable fish total.
Like a limit would win it.
Right.
Catch 3.
Yeah.
And I got like a 3-pounder in the first 10 minutes, and I was like, oh, it's gonna be the deal today.
Right.
And
See a bunch of fish right in here. These are little ones, but they're out there. I think I got another fish. Another little one. Woo! This guy's a little bit better. Long and skinny though. Well, I just caught one, and this is a notable fish because I caught it on this. Now, this is a smaller Senko, and it's a bright, like a chartreuse and white one, okay? I have not caught a fish on this color Senko ever. This is my first one. And the thing that's notable about it is my son picked this one out for me. So, you know, kind of special. I can tell him finally that it caught me a fish. Oh, that's a giant right there. Damn. The fish is huge. There's a decent fish. Another little keeper. Smaller than the last one, but keeper. Well, I caught one other keeper, but it wasn't anything to write home about. And then a couple other small ones, and that's it. Yeah, I had one that looked like it was a 4 or 5 just come up and smell, you know what I mean? And I'm just watching it and I'm like, come on now. I got one. Come on, come on. Maybe, or he's just fighting good. Not bad. Yeah. Maybe they're gonna start eating now. Jeez. Yeah. I saw a video you did, I think you were in New York. And it was you talking about going through like maybe your grandfather's old tackle box?
oh yeah, man.
That was a really cool video.
Yeah, that was fun to make. Like, I had all this old baits and stuff, and the problem, I made a mistake. I should have changed the hooks out on them because I couldn't stay hooked up on them.
Oh yeah, okay. Now, did your grandfather teach you to fish, or?
Oh yeah, that's how I started fishing.
Looks like some bluegill are feeding too, huh?
God, I'm like, I haven't fished with live bait in forever, but I'm tempted to come out here with live bait.
There we go. I don't know if I'm recording. That's always the fun thing with me. Am I recording? Oh, he's a giant. Giant. Yeah. Another giant. Oh. It's dark. There's a fish. Not bad. Fighting well for a little guy. Little guy, but he'd be close to a keeper. Okay, we got another one. Fighting well. That's a nice fish. Nice fish. Not huge, but he's a good fish. Not bad at all. Decent little fish right here. I mean, nothing huge, but with the way today's going, I'm happy that I'm starting to hook up with some of these guys and not just the 1 inchers, not just the 6 inchers, you know? So, pretty stoked. Whoa! Man, this guy's fighting. It's a decent fish. Yeah! Get up there. Oh, he came off. Use the net. Oh.
Dude, I'm getting on a good crankbait bite right now.
Oh, you are?
Fishing on the outside, yeah. I've got 3 nice bites.
That was a little fast to be going through there.
I know, okay.
Well, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Things got a little bit better in the afternoon, evening. That was fun though, dude. It was good to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you too, Chris.
And like I said before, go check out Greg's channel. If you know me and you don't know Greg yet, you live under a rock. So check it out. And yeah, thank you guys for coming along. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and thanks for getting out west with Chris.